What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to take all the Paylocity webhooks, so every schema from created, updated, and terminated webhook schemas, and use that data in one webhook. So we're going to take in the schemas from the webhook, and then we're going to count the fields on a split action. And then we can do our update branches, terminate branches into Azure AD or any other systems that you would want to on and offboard employees from on created, updated, and terminated. So let's go do it. So we're in Power Automate. We're going to immediately go to Instant Cloudflow. Then we will start adding actions. And we'll say add a trigger. It's HTTP. We'll get our, it's here, say premium. There we go. Okay, so we have our response here. And we're going to say that anyone can trigger this. Of course, we would lock this down. And then we're going to add a parse JSON action. Parse JSON action. We'll get Copilot out of the way. And then we're going to add our body. So we added our body in there. And then I am going to get this from Postman. So we have our created user schema, our delete user schema, and our updated. So create, update, delete, because those are the steps that we would actually have. So we're going to copy this. And then we're going to generate a schema from it. So we have our parse JSON action. Then we're going to add two more actions. Compose, and they're both going to be compose. So compose format. And then we're going to add another compose right under it. Then we're going to name this one compose length. Still getting used to this new editor. Okay. So from here, we're going to copy a split action that I've found on a forum into the formula section. So what this is going to do is take the brackets around the JSON and it's going to turn it into an array that can be counted. So we're going to paste that in there. And then we're going to split it. And what this is going to do is we're going to actually make it a length. So we're going to paste that into the formula section here. Okay, so this is going to count the number of fields that we receive, and then we can do further actions based on that. So we have this. And once it's saved, and it might need a refresh. I don't know if this new editor is interesting. Okay, so we have our endpoint here. It looks like the schema didn't get created there, so we'll recreate that. And then we have everything. We have our split action, and then we have our length action. So what this is going to do, the fields are going to come in. It's going to count the number of fields. and then we can make some decisions based on that, which we won't cover in this video, but there'll be a possibility. So we'll paste that in here. We'll paste this in here. We'll paste this in here. And then we will send it, and send this one too. Oh, bad request. What's going on there? There we go. We'll make sure that okay, all of those got accepted. And so we will make sure that this is saved again. And then we'll go look at the events. So we'll see that here we have 29 fields, which corresponds with our post. From there, we can go back and look at this, which is 2 fields. So we know that is our updated user field. And then this, which will be our terminated, is 10. So from there, we can branch off and make more decisions. Created, we can go create users in Azure and add to their fields for work locations and any information that's within Paylocity. Then we can do an updated branch to update user fields, direct reports, titles, things like that. And then we can terminate them, locking their account and sending their manager a notification. Or we could even invoke a Azure function to be able to do a PowerShell command to then share their inbox with their manager. So I hope this was helpful. Reach out to me if you need some dev help. Have a good one.